Today we are going to make some apple cinnamon rings in our air dryer. We just picked up these gala apples at our local farmer's market and they are delicious. So first we are going to wash our apples. We're going to get our trusty core and core through the middle. Then we're going to grab our trusty mandolin and slice them up. Now I just have my mandolin set to the number 3, which is our thickest setting because I like our apples a little bit thicker. As I put them in the bowl, I'm careful to separate each of the apple slices to make sure that we can coat those with cinnamon evenly afterwards. Then we're going to grab our cinnamon and generously sprinkle on our apple slices. Roll up those sleeves and get your hands dirty. I like to use my hands because, again, I can separate the apple slices and make sure that both sides are coated in the cinnamon. Now, you could use other seasonings here. You could even use a little bit of sugar or stevia, but I think the apples and the cinnamon are way sweet and taste delicious, so we're just using that today. So I have been preheating my air fryer to 350 while I was preparing, and I lightly sprayed the inside with a spray olive oil. I'm then going to go ahead and add my sliced apples that have the cinnamon coated on them. Again, just being careful to kind of separate them as I put them in. You can see that I did layer them on top of each other, but I wouldn't suggest doing a whole ton. I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes and give it 5 minutes to go ahead and cook. At 5 minutes, I will open this and we're going to go ahead and give them a shake, even flipping our apples, trying to just separate them and spread them evenly to ensure that they get cooked evenly. I'll go ahead and put them back in for the last remaining 5 minutes. At 5 minutes, when it is done and comes up at the end, we'll open them up and pour them into a bowl. Friends, these are so yummy for an after-school snack or in a trail mix. We love to take them hiking. In fact, yesterday after we made these, we threw them in a bag and went and hiked in our gorgeous fall leaves. I had to show you our pictures. Look at those leaves. I hope you give this a try and let me know if you like them. Have a happy fall.